Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to read CSV file into Pandas. So friends, to read CSV file into Pandas with the help of Jupyter Notebook, there are two ways to read CSV file into Pandas. So friends, I'm going to show you the both way to read CSV file into Pandas. So first we need to open there is Jupyter Notebook. That I'm going to open Jupyter Notebook with the help of CMD command prompt. I need to type here Python notebook and hit enter button. Once it is opened, so it's step number one, friends. Here you can see this call new, click on here and expand it, and here you can see again Python tree, click on opened. And here we are going to import, that is Pandas. Import Pandas as PD. Friends, there are two ways to run. Number one, by clicking this button, run this cell and advance. On the other hand, press Shift plus enter. So now we are going to read the data, sorry, CSV file. So for that here we need to type that is df data frame equal to pd dot read. My file type is that is CSV. And here we need to paste the file part. To, to get this file part, for that we need to go to the local machine. Let me close this. Friends, my file is under this folder, data folder. Right click on it, and here you can see copy as a part, and go back and paste it here and run by running this. Click on this button. Friends, here I can see some problem here. It is showing here this Unicode error. To fix this issue, here we need to type R. R indicate a raw string literal. So now let me run again. So here friends, now it is already accepted. So friends, now we are going to display the data. Okay, so for that here df, type here that is df data frame head and click on run button. So to display the all the column names, so for that here type here df columns and click on run button. To display the data information, df dot info and click on run. So friends, in this way you can read data, sorry, CSV file into Pandas. And another way to read CSV file into Pandas, in the same way, go to home and here click on new and click on new folder, and here we need to change the folder name, that is project 2 3. Just click simply here. Where is that my project file folder? Just a moment, let me search. Yeah, this is the folder that I have created, right? So now friends, what we have to do this, now we are going to import, sorry, upload the data set. So click on upload, and after that here you can see this is my file. Select this file, and after that click on open. This is the data set, here you can see. So now what we have to do this, we need to copy this file part. Just double click it, and after that This is the file path. Just click on this, and after that here you can see just select all, Control plus C, copy it, and now just click on cancel, and make sure that you are under project, the same folder. Okay, this my folder name is, this is project 23. And after that here you can see called the new again, click on new, and after that Python tree, click on Python tree. And here we need to import again, this is import pandas as pd. Click on run button. Now again df, type here df data frame equal to pt dot read underscore csv, and here quotation mark, close the quotation mark, and here paste it the file part, and now click on run button. Now to display the again the data, df dot head, and click on this button to check again the column name or the column name from this data set, df dot column, and click on this button to check the again the information of this data, df dot info. Open the parenthesis and close the parenthesis, and click on run. So friends, in this way you can read CSV file into pandas with the help of Jupyter Notebook. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video. See you in next video. Bye.